Hola, I'm Iwata Hosby, and I got another Kickstarter comic. I'm excited to see which one it is. That one was easy to open. Ninecrow. This is actually an indie graphic novel. It looks like I got a bookmark with it. This is another horror, so I'm excited for this. Actually, the creator is Dora M Mitchell, and she was probably either the second or the third Kickstarter I'd ever backed in my life. So I'm excited to finally get this. She had also sent wallpaper for your phone, and she also sent a digital copy of this, but I didn't look at it because I knew I wanted to read the physical version, and it is here. And I can't wait because it is horror. My favorite thing in the world. Don't judge me. But yes, this is I want to say this is like my 7th or 8th Kickstarter comic I've received since backing anything. And I want to say I opened an account back in March of this year. I could be wrong on that though. And I've backed, I think, like 11 or maybe 12 projects, but some fell through and stuff like that. So yeah, I'm on a roll, and hopefully more comics will be coming soon because I've gotten a couple of notifications that the creators are almost getting their comics and they're almost ready to ship. So I want to say from at least 2 other people. So I'm excited. Ninecrow. This is really cool. I love this. Graphic novel, the first one from Kickstarter. Yay! And if you like this video, please hit the like button, comment, or subscribe. Talk to you later. Bye.